Hey guys, so today I have my Sephora Play box for the month of April, so let's get into it. Okay, so here is the bag this month. It's usually red, so I guess it's pink this month. But we're still going with the little plastic Ziploc bag kind of scenario. Okay, the first product in here is what I assume to be the sample. This is the Verb Mild plus Color Save plus Cleanse Hydrating Shampoo and the Enrich plus Restore plus Soften Hydrating Conditioner. So, little sample I'll get to try out. Definitely like the hydrating aspect there, so I will see how I like that. Okay, and the next thing in here is from Urban Decay, and this is their Perversion Mascara. So I have tried this mascara before, and I do like it, but I think it can get pretty clumpy pretty fast. So I'll probably use it, but it's not my favorite. It's good though. Okay, and the next thing in here is from Laura Mercier, and this is her Radiance Foundation Primer. So I have tried this before. I do have the full size, I think. Pretty sure it's the full size. But I do have this, and I do really like it. It's not so much hydrating as it is more of like a glow to your skin. So I do think this is really pretty under foundation, just to give you a nice glow to your foundation. And the next thing in here is from Farmacy, and this is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So, ooh. Sounds nice. I like AHA and BHAs. So this is 14% AHA/BHA/flower acids. And I have tried a few different skincare products from Farmacy, and I've liked pretty much all of the ones that I've tried, so I will definitely give this a try and see how I like it. Okay, the next thing in here is from Clinique, and this is the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. And I have tried this before. It's not my favorite. I feel like it doesn't last all day on me. I don't know. It's just not my favorite. And I'll probably use it though just to retry it out. Alright, and the last thing in here is from Sephora. Always gotta try to include your own brand in your boxes, huh? This is the Triple Action Cleansing Water with matcha green tea extract. So, guess it's a micellar water. And we have gotten like a makeup remover in the same type of bottle from Sephora before, and I really didn't like that one. But I will definitely have to try this micellar water out and see how I like it. Okay, so that's all of the products in my box this month. And I will definitely be sure to put like the total value up on the screen just so you can see that. And I feel like the most exciting product for me would be the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow, just because I've really liked all the Farmacy products that I've tried in the past. So that one's definitely my favorite. I'm excited to have another little bottle of this Radiance Foundation Primer from Laura Mercier because I do really like that one, so that's a win. The mascara, we'll use that, so it's okay. The Clinique Moisturizing Lotion, not my favorite, but I'll just retry it out and see if my thoughts have changed on it, I guess. And then a micellar water. Hopefully I like this. I like to use micellar waters to remove my makeup before I wash my face. So I will definitely be trying this out and see if it's any good. And then the Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner from Verb. That's definitely what kind of shampoo and conditioner I'm drawn to most of the time. Is if it has hydrating in the word, then I'm on board. So I feel like this was a pretty successful box, mostly anyways. It wasn't anything too special, but it wasn't bad. And I feel like I will definitely get use out of all of the products, which is not always the case. So let me know what you got in your Sephora Play this month and how you're liking everything. And I will see you in my next video.